Alright, and welcome back on this channel. So today we're back with a new video, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you a VPN app which will help you to secure your connection, add extra protection when you are online. So let me take this chance to welcome viewers and subscribers of this channel that you are highly welcomed. And if you haven't yet subscribed on this channel, we share apps that can help you to secure your connection. So if you need such content, you can subscribe on this channel so that you don't miss future content. So when you reach on Google Play Store, you search for this app, Fat Tunnel Lite. So Fat Tunnel Lite, this is the app we're gonna install. Among the presented, you pick this one. This app will help you to secure your connection, add extra protection. It will also enhance on your online activities when you are online. In case you are using this app for the first time, please take note of its terms and conditions. Ensure that you read them and follow them. Always don't violate terms and conditions of the VPN you are using. And also, please read your country local laws regarding VPN usage. You'll be able to follow them. And also, please read your local laws of ISP, Internet Service Provider, for them regarding the VPN usage in your country. You tap on the open button and when you tap on open, it will take you to its home screen where you need to set it up. So first of all, you are required to update the app by tapping on the update button right here, and you will be required to click on online update. So this is done to update the app resources so that it can work as it secures your connection and it will update to the latest version. The other setting is you're required to pick a server. So tap right here, and among the presented you can pick any server. So you can pick either server 1 or server 2. And the other setting is you're required to pick a connection method. So for today's video, we have chosen the all country V2. If V2 is supported in your country, you can choose this option. And if it doesn't connect in your country, tap here. You pick your country name, or you can pick the all country UDP if UDP is supported in your country. And also you can simply search for your country name in the search list, or you can scroll along and you will find your country. For example, Germany is right here, and if your country is not listed, you will simply search right here. So for today's guide, we're gonna use the all country V2 Ray, and after that we're required to tap on this start button. And to insert a fast and secure connection, you are required to tap on this start button. And within a few seconds, you can see that the app is connected and your connection is now secured. So V2 is super fast and it is secure. And if you found the video helpful, please subscribe. So that's how we set up Fat Tunnel Lite with all country V2 settings to achieve a fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online, and also to enhance on your online activities.